Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another server of the Another of Social Media. We have a new server that I have logged into this server. This one I introduced to Guided. I don't know how you pronounce that, but this is the server I have. So today we're going to be doing the server called How to Create Rules on this server. So what you have to do is create rules. If you're a new viewer like me, all you need to do is click on this. As your server, you click on this. On your own server. See, that is my server? That is called my subscription. That is my server. I made the server for this. So all you need to do is click on this button here. And you see it says settings. I want you to go to settings. Now you have options right here. You have bots. Hold on. You have rules. And you also have overview. That's where you create images. You also have groups. You also have emotes, notifications, interactions. That's where you see it. Widget, webhooks, and we have level rewards. That's how levels work. There's no items yet, but we might have to add that if you go add a level. That's where you get admin. If you get, for example, I will put level 10 and to get admin. I'll add another reward for level not 5 is to get. So I will give permission for level 10 for 81 XP. Now, to create your rule, I would say the example of level 10. So if you look over there, I created the rule. So I will just add another rule, for example, and I will just type moderator. Your favorite moderator. And then if you put the same one, that counts as admin. So we're going to put the same thing. It doesn't matter if it has to be the same thing, but it doesn't need to be the same thing. So we could say the mod. Then we're going to add, I'm going to keep it like this. And that's what it's going to look like. So now what I'm going to do, now I'm going to save changes. Once you're finished, everything will have to be a member too. So as I save changes, it may take a while to finish. So, I know I apologize for the lag. Now all you need to do is go to your not webhooks, add to your level rewards. You select your role and you click on mod, for example. Then I'll put on level 6 for this reward. If they keep leveling up. And then I'll save, and then automatically save when you do it. So these are the ways you can understand. So those are ways you can understand how to create rules to get it. That's how rules works, and that's how you do it. Now, that's all you need to know, the rules. And then I'd like to announce to you that you'll be able to add some. Now, as a thing, you could also add this one. I will also add myself. So if you click on there and then click on mod, it also adds mod. So I receive a mod, so that means I get mod. So that's how you reset mods. And that's how you proceed to get mod. But unless you want to remove it, if it says it's going to give you, are you sure you want to remove a mod for yourself? Confirm. Because I'm the captain. And I removed the moderator. So, and those are reasons how you get mod. So, that will include the stream. So, peace.